Hello guys, my name is Amit Kumar and today we will see how can we remove watermark or any text or any logo from a image. So I have used Gemini to create this image because Gemini puts its logo and we told it to put this Charlie text. So you can use this AI prompt to generate the same image if you want to simulate the same things. Go to this Photopea website and open from computer, or you can select the image from where anywhere you want. Now zoom on the object you want to remove, like we want to remove this Charlie text. Okay, now click on this magic wand. Now click this second logo unite. Now select the object you want to remove. Now we have selected the Charlie, but it selected only the inner side, so we'll click on the select, then modify, then expand. We will expand it by like 10 pixel. Okay, now it has selected the complete text. Okay, now click on the edit, click fill. Now select content aware, click OK. Now wait 2 or 3 seconds and the text is removed completely. Now click on select and click on deselect. Now let me zoom out. As you can see that the text is removed completely. Now we will do same for the logo as well. Okay, so in our case the logo is on grass, so it is a difficult texture to remove. So we will try, like click on the logo as well. So you will have to click multiple time to select the logo because the texture is very difficult over here. Okay, make sure you click all over. Now click select, modify, expand. So we will expand it by like 1 pixel so that it covers only the logo, not the grass as well. So now click on the edit, fill. Now content aware, click OK. So it is removed. Go to this select as well. Okay, now as you can see that the logo is also removed. Gemini logo is also removed, the photograph. So this is how you can remove any logo or any watermark from your image using Photopea. If you have multiple images like I have in this folder and all they have the same Gemini logo and you want to remove all these using just one click. So I have been working like 2 or 3 days on making this Python script so that we can remove the logo just by one click. So please do subscribe my channel and please do like the video because the same Python script video will be coming very soon on my channel. So please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.